Hi friends, today I'll share 10 effortless half-up hairstyles. Don't forget to boop the like button and subscribe. For the first one, we want to select our side sections from both sides of our parting. You want to leave your bangs in the front, like I did. Wrap these sections together, bring it in the back, and tie it with a clear elastic. This base is very good for attaching some bows to your hair or any other hair accessory. This way, you'll make sure it will stay in place. For the second one, we want to select two sections from both sides of our parting. Again, bring them back, twist it lightly, bring it back, and you want to tie it with a clear elastic. Now you want to select a section from beneath your half-up ponytail and you want to bring it over our created ponytail, wrapping it around each side 2 times, like I'm showing. And you want to pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous. And you want to repeat on the other side, grab your section, and you want to bring it through your created ponytail 2 times, pull it, and you're done. Next, we want to gather our top section first. This time I'm not leaving my bangs in the front, but you can leave. And then you want to tie everything with a clear elastic in the back. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, pull it a little bit, and you want to use a claw clip to bring it up and accessorize it like that. And you're done. For the next one, you want to select again 2 sections from both sides of your parting. Then you want to bring one of the section in the back and tie it with a clear elastic. Now you want to repeat the same step with the second section. Then grabbing a ribbon or a scarf, you want to bring it through these 2 sections like I'm showing. Then you want to tie it and create a bow with it. How amazing and romantic this super easy half updo looks. I love it, and I hope you do so too. Next, you want to select a super small crown section and tie it with a clear elastic. Then you want to select the hair beneath it and tie it with a clear elastic too. Make an opening through your tiny small crown section and bring your second ponytail through it. Tighten your mini crown section and look what a beautiful and voluminous half updo we have. For the next one, we want to select a section from one side of our parting. I prefer a central parting for this type of half updos, and you want to divide it into 3. Now you want to cross side strands under the middle one, and then you want to add more hair to the both sections from the sides before crisscrossing under the middle one. And then you want to simply make a 3-strand braid until reaching the ends. So you want to repeat on the other side. Guys, if you find hard to make a Dutch braid, you can simply make a 3-strand braid, but make sure to braid it away from your face, so you'll have the same effect without adding more hair. When our braids are ready, we want to select our crown section and you want to clip it up. Then grabbing your two braids, you want to tie them both together and you want to bring these braids under your clipped section. Release your section and you're done. For the next one, again we want to select a section from one side of our parting. This time you divide it into two and you want to twist them away from your face. So basically, you add hair from the scalp to the front section and twisting it, you want to bring it back and you want to continue. So you add hair to the front section and twist. Add hair to the front section again and twist until reaching your ears level. And then you want to finish with the raw braid. Basically you twist this strand towards your face and then you twist them around each other away from your face. Now you want to repeat this braid on other side as well. And then grabbing your both braids, you want to tie it with a clear elastic. Really, this is my favorite one. It's so comfortable. For the next one, we want to select our hair behind our ears and our crown section as well. You want to tie it with a clear elastic. On last time, yes, you pull your hair halfway through, divide this bubble into two sections and use a claw clip to fix this construction in place. For the next one, you want to gather hair from your ear level, but make sure it will reach your opposite side, basically opposite ear, and you want to make a super simple 3-strand braid. Yes, of course you can make here a raw braid as well too. You make the braid that you like the most, and you want to repeat on other side as well this braid. Make sure to pull it a little bit to make it fuller and voluminous. Arrange it well. I like to bring some hair in the back, but leaving the bangs because I like this look. And you want to bring your braid to opposite side using some bobby pins. You want to fix it in place. Here guys, if you don't like bobby pin it, you can use another clear elastic. Selecting another hair from opposite side, you want to tie them both together so it will stay in place too. So we want to repeat on the other side and we're done. Next, you want to select our section, divide this section into 3. Now, the upper section, like I'm showing, you want to twist it a little bit away from your face, and then you want to begin a simple 3-strand braid, braiding away from your face. This way, it will look nicer. So you want to continue braiding our 3-strand braid, pull it a little bit to make it fuller and voluminous. Clip it away for later and repeat this braid on other side. Now you want to bring your braids together in the back. You want to tie it with a clear elastic and tighten. Now look how beautiful and nice it looks. I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more. Let me know in comments down below which hairstyle is your favorite. But that's it for today. And love you so much. I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!